Hello everyone and welcome back to E-Class Time. Dear friends, today we are going to see class 9 geography types of climate in your book. It is on page 16. Okay, page number 16. Page number 16. And before we continue with the class, let us try to see the answers of last class. Okay, in the last class, the first question, the question that was asked was, lens type is mainly dependent on what? It is textual composition. On the textual composition, seeing the textual composition only, we say this is this type of land, this is sand land, okay, sandy land, it is rocky land. That way we name them. Okay, what type of climate is seen in the barren soil, where the soil is barren, no greeneries? What type of climate do we see? We see it as hot and dry climate. Hot because there is the sunshine falls directly on the ground, and dry because there is what called no green vegetations to cover the lands. Okay, so hot and dry, less rainfall. Okay, next one, state the example of two slopes in the southern hemisphere, facing southern hemisphere from the northern hemisphere. Okay, hemisphere, this is the equatorial line, this is north hemisphere, and this is south hemisphere. Okay, this is what we had learned. Now it is telling us to give the two example. Here we have seen our India. Okay, here somewhere we have Himalaya. Himalaya is in the northern part, but it is facing southern part. We also have Alps, which is in the northern part but facing southern part. Okay, dear friends, so these are the two examples. Okay, next, what is the main reason for increasing temperature according to the book in some places? Okay, this is because destruction of forest in large scale. In some places so much of forest is being destroyed. Okay, because of that there is increase in temperature and decrease in rainfall. Okay, fine. So these were the answers. Now let us continue with today's class. Dear friends, we have seen what is weather, we have seen what is climate. Okay, then we also have seen the factor elements basing on which we see the climate and weather. Even the factors we have seen which affects these elements, because of which the climates or weather keep on changing. Now since because of factor the climate keep on changing, there is always chance that we see different types of climate, because it does not remain same, it keeps on changing. So when it changes according to the situation, obviously there will be different types of it. Okay, so that is what we are going to see, dear friends. Okay, now to start with the first one, of course there are many mentioned, but we shall be starting with equatorial climate. Okay, dear friends, equatorial climate. And equatorial climate, the book says that it is the equatorial climate is taken between equator and north, 10 degree to the north and 10 degree to the south. Okay, dear friends, so there is a chart also in your book. Okay, there is a chart. If you remember the chart easily, you can find out the climatic area or area wherever what are the conditions they have. Okay, dear friend excuse me, dear friends, if you see the globe this way properly, okay, you will see a line that which is known as equator, and if we divide it this way, okay, central part, imaginary line, of course it is not so straight. Okay, imaginary line. Okay, it is in the sliding. Okay, fine. As for now we are taking it, if we divide it this way, from here it is this side, from this equator to the northern side, if we go, this is the north part up to here. Okay, northern pole. So how much it is? It is 90 degree. Same way, if we go down here to the southern side, this is also 90 degree. Okay, dear friends, 90 degree. That means from here there are some lines. Okay, there are some lines, accordingly it is divided. And the first line it is showing is from this equator, it is 10 degree. Okay, this is 10 degree, not much. Okay, it is only 10 degree this way. Okay, then next it is showing it is 0 here. Okay, next it is showing 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree, from here it is only 30 degree. Next it shows 40 degree. Okay, lines one more. Okay, fine, 40 degree from here. Next it shows 60 degree, 60 degree. Then final one we have, that is 90 degree. So maybe this line should have come some more this side. Okay, there is some problem in drawing. Okay, now see dear friend, this is how it is divided. It is not merely to the northern part, it also goes to the southern part. Okay, this way these lines are there. Of course this lines won't be seen, only this horizontal lines only you can see. Okay, so it says the equatorial climate, what we see is from the equatorial part it is to the 10th degree, 10 degree up and 10 degree down. Okay dear friend, so that is where the equatorial climate prevails. The chart what you see in the screen, it is showing you not merely the 10th equatorial area. Okay, it is even showing you many other climatic condition. Okay, from 10 to 30 how much, or 30 to 40 degree, or 40 to 60 degree how much, or 60 to 90 degree what is the climatic condition it is showing you. Okay dear friends, now let us come back to equatorial region again. Okay, and equatorial climate, and it says something else again. See, in the equatorial region we know the sun ray falls vertically. Okay, directly in a very short distance. Okay, other side it is slanting. In the recent test also you have given slanting. Okay, so since it is in a very short distance, equatorial area is very hot. Okay, it is hot, and since it is very hot, the water gets vapored and goes up. When it goes up, it gets condensed and falls. So convectional rain is happening every now and then in the equatorial area. Okay, where this equatorial climate is there. So convectional rain is happening in that area. Okay dear friends, and so what we can say is the average rainfall this equatorial area, okay, equatorial climate in this region experiences is 200 centimeter. Yeah, okay, 200 centimeter. This is the average rainfall it experiences. Now how to measure this rainfall, that it goes up to 200 centimeter. Dear friends, when it rains, no, you just keep a plain bowl in outside. Okay, empty bowl, and it is leveled and wait for the rain to fall in it. Okay, once the rain stop, the water that gets collected here, that you measure how much it is. Okay, so the height of this will be the amount of rainfall that you received in that particular time. So average rainfall received in this area is 200 centimeter. Okay, first of all it is very dry, I mean very hot, and because of that the convectional rainfalls happen. So average it receives up to 200 centimeter, and it has two characteristics, that is more temperature, it has more temperature, and it has also more rainfall. Okay dear friends, so this is all about equatorial climate. In the next video we shall continue with the monsoon climate. Now questions for the day, okay, to solve for you people is, what is the average rainfall in this region? What is the average rainfall in this region? Next, in which region does this climate prevail? In a globe, which is the area where this equatorial climate is seen. Okay, the next, state two main characteristics of this climate. Everything is being taught in this video. Okay, just if you have not understood, go back, watch the video once again, then you will find all the answers of these questions. So do study dear friends. Till then, meet you people in the next time with the next video. Till then, see you all, take care.